Hey y'all, my name's Austin and you're watching Fishing Fever. So we're at the bank of the James where I usually fish. There was no rain in the forecast till I got in the truck, which figures, but looks like I gotta wait for a little bit of rain to pass because I don't feel like setting up in it. I did catch some bait though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I gotta tie on all new leaders on my rods because I put all new line on my rods because I tore them up pretty good at that last Bugs Island trip. So I'm gonna do that and we'll get set up and I'll tune y'all back in. We're gonna see what we can do, and y'all hang in there. All right. Oh. Small blue. Can't complain. Getting a bite on. Maybe getting a bite. I think my camera's all fogged up from the amount of bug spray that I've been putting on, but small channel. If I was keeping them to eat, that'd be pretty awesome. So can't complain. We'll get them back. I see you, you sneaky little bastard. You're not getting in my truck. Not today. All right, y'all, it's a little after 11:30. That's about as long as I want to stay out here. We didn't get any more bites really after that second fish.
SIM has connected to your phone and is reminding you that 911 assist is set to off.
Thank you. Daggone it, what was I gonna say? Anyways, thanks for watching Fishing Fever. If you're new, consider subscribing. You know, sometimes I catch a couple fish, sometimes I catch more. I'm just an average guy that catches a couple catfish every now and again. I got a full-time job, I got a wife, I got 3 kids. And big shout out to her for watching the kids while I'm out here doing this. It means a lot. But if you're a returning viewer, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Anyways, y'all keep on fishing, and we'll catch you on the next one, and thank you very much for watching.